Well, hello, my name is Shayde LeBlanc. I'm Senior Vice President of Core and Ancillary Products here at SHAZAM. As I sit back and I think about the things that SHAZAM does that sets us apart and helps our customers stay in front of what's coming next in the industry and the marketplace, it's really multifaceted. It's a lot more about people who are looking for a relationship with a vendor partner and who are willing to do business with us and really make the effort so that it's a win-win for both organizations. And the reason for that is our ownership structure and just the way we're built. We are owned by our members, and that is something that is very unique in the marketplace. That kind of co-symbiotic relationship is really where we thrive and where we play best. Our system was designed with ease of use in mind for our customers. It's based very similar to how you would navigate in any type of web application. This consistency between the different applications is what makes it so easy to use and so efficient. Because from a training perspective, when you get new employees or you have turnover, you only have to really train them in one application, and now they know how to use the rest of the system. From a scalability standpoint, our system is parameter-based. And what that means is you can determine how you want to use our system. You have the full gamut of being able to set up the system the way it works best for your institution. Puts us in a position where we can be very scalable, and we really have no limitations from that perspective. We have a $17 million bank that we signed and loves the system. We have a $1.7 billion institution on our system and everything in between. One of the things that we do that I believe is unique in the industry is we hire former bankers. And that's a very intentional decision that we made. They have walked a mile in your shoes. They have done what you're doing. They have experienced any issues you're facing, and they can truly understand the impact to your customers. Our core user group, which is a fully autonomous user group run by the users, we meet once a year, and it's our customers telling us what they appreciate about our system, what we may need to do to advance into the future and help them become more efficient. And we do a fair amount of our development on an annual basis based on the feedback we get from our users. In addition to that, we also have an advisory council that meets a couple times a year, and they tell us what they're seeing in the marketplace, what they're faced with, what challenges do they have. And so when you pull all those things together, SHAZAM understands what we need to be looking at and working on next. We are in a position to be able to offer you all the products and services you need from SHAZAM. We own and control EFT, core, document management, digital solutions, fraud. We have the full gamut of products and solution suites that you need, but at the very same time, we're willing to work with others. SHAZAM's position has always been and will continue to be that we're willing to work with anyone in the marketplace that is willing to work with us. We have an open API set that if they're willing to code on their end to us, we'll code, we'll meet in the middle and take care of the need for the customer. We have a full-blown department with management included that is designated every single day to building out integrations and furthering the existing integrations that we have. And so it really puts you in a position to operate the way you need to operate in your marketplace to take the best care of your customers possible. SHAZAM takes great care in the way we implement institutions and convert them from one vendor to our system. Our manager of our implementations department will reach out to you and schedule what we call a kickoff call. We will come on site and we will literally sit down and walk through the entire process. And we'll work with you hand in hand, and we'll go through the mapping guides together. And then we come back on site to perform training for a week on core, then another week for training. So you get 2 weeks of full on-site training. We come out the conversion week and we convert on Thursdays. The reason we do that is so we have a full production day on Friday. And if there are any hiccups at all, we have the entire weekend to get that resolved. We send out a resource to train you post-conversion to ensure we've covered all the angles and you're in a good spot and you're comfortable. And when you think about everything that's been shared, my hope is that you realize we're here for more than just the sale. SHAZAM is in it for the long haul, and we're here for the entire journey.